House Calls, sponsored by Roper St. Francis Healthcare.
During the COVID pandemic, cases of depression tripled in the United States. If you find yourself feeling sad, lonely, or lethargic, a psychiatrist isn't the only medical expert who can help. Dr. Asia McDonald says your family doctor is a great resource.
Antidepressants are prescribed medications that impact neurotransmitter levels in the brain. Neurotransmitters are naturally occurring chemicals within our brains that do impact our mood. Generally, the side effects of antidepressants are pretty mild. These antidepressants can help to restore normal functioning so the person can enjoy quality of life and be able to function with the things that they need to do as well as the things that they want to do.
For more information, call 843-402-CARE or visit rsfh.com.